Hello, welcome, brothers and sisters of my channel, Faisal Azib. I hope that you are well. Today we talk about a new feature in Java 1.8, that is to declare a static method in interface. Yes, now it is possible, not before Java 1.8. So, to declare a static method in your interface, it's so simple. Just like this, public static. Here you add the static keyword, void for example, get message, and you will define implementation of your static method. For example, system.out.println. This is static method. It's so simple like this. So what is the purpose to use static method in the interface? It is very simple. The purpose to use static method in the interface is to define the method utilities for your project. For example, in our project, we use always, for example, string utilities, dot utilities, lot of class to manage this type of things. So here you can put this utilities directly in your interface, not in class directly. Okay? So now, and also we talk about surprise, new thing. There is a new surprise in the last video. When we finish the video, I will talk about surprise. I think this is shift for developers. Yes. Wait, just wait to finish video and I will talk about this. So now, how to use this static method in the class? So simple. In my class, public static void main, always same example. I create a new instance of my class. See my class, new my class. And here I will put c.getMessage. Okay? It is not valid. We can't do it. Sorry, we can't. So let's try another thing. My class.getMessage, static method. We can do it also. Sorry, we can't. So we can do it with instance object, also with name of the class. Let's try another thing. My interface dot get message. Yes, we can do it. I hope we can do it with this. So we can do nothing. Yes, only with type of the statement you can do it. With name of interface you can call the static method like this. Only one. Okay? So with object instance we can't, with name of class we can't, but with only with name of the interface. So now I will go to the computer to show you this, the error that we got when we use this three type of static method, how to call them, and I will come back to continue about this static method for new things. Okay, so let's go. So here I have created my interface with static method. Okay, now I am trying to call it with object instance. As you can see, I have an error. I can't do it. Okay, do you see? As undefined. So if I make the same thing here with the name of the class, also I have an error because it's undefined. But if I call it with my interface here, there is no error, so I can run the program and I got my static method. Good. So let's continue let's talk about static method. Now I will talk about interface with static method and with overriding concept. Okay? You must know, it's very important, the overriding concept for the static method interface isn't applicable. Okay? You can't override the static method. It's impossible. Okay? It's very important to know this. But, listen very well also, you can define the method in your class, but it is not the overriding of your class. Okay? So I will show you example or different case what I mean about this. For example, the first case. I have my interface with getMessage static method, and inside my class I will define public static void getMessage. Okay? I will put in another implementation, no problem. This one is valid or no? Tell me, is this valid? Yes, it is valid. Why? Because it is the new method getMessage inside the class, my class, isn't override from the interface of the getMessage. Okay? I repeat, I have talked about this. The concept of overriding isn't applicable about that method. So this new method, with the same signature, as you can see, with the same signature, is public static void getMessage. It is the same. Okay? It is valid, and it is the method for my class. Okay? Because it is not the override of the getMessage of an interface. This is the first case. Let's see the second case. The same thing, same method in the interface. In my class, I will define a new method. getMessage. Public void getMessage. Okay? This one, is it valid or no? Yes, it is valid. Yeah. As I repeat, we can't override the static method. So, also this one is valid. Let's see the third case. I have the same interface, the same static method, getMessage, and inside my class, what I will put? Private static void getMessage. This one, is it valid or no? Yes, it is valid. Because the method private static void getMessage isn't the override of getMessage. And also, if it is override, the concept of overriding, we can change the access modifier. We can change it. We can't. Here we have private. If it's overriding method, we must have public as the same. What we have in the interface. Okay, the access modifier, you can do it in overriding. So here, as I say, the static method can't be override in the class. So this method is correct. It is not for overriding about overall interface. So now we have understand static method. It is not applicable for overriding. And what is the surprise? I think you have maybe think about this. Maybe, I don't know. You have any idea what I will talk about? We can use static method in our interface. Can we use main method in interface? Can we run directly the interface? Can we do it? Yes. We can use the main method in the interface in the Java 1.8. And we can run our interface directly without creating class now. Yes, we can do it. So I will jump directly to the computer to see the execution if we can do it or no. Okay, and you will see that's the case. So let's see this. So now we create the main method inside my interface. Okay, because now we can use static method. So let's see. Tag, and here I will display a simple message. Example, public void my main method. Okay, you will see. Now I will run this interface directly. Run this Java application. Do you see? I have my method, so I can run the main method directly now from the interface. So you have seen how to use also main method in the interface. And this is the last thing about static method. So in this video and the previous topic, I have shown you how to use default and static method in interface, such as it is no new feature in Java 1.8. So I will close this chapter and I will start new one, which will be about predefined functional interface. In next video, inshallah. I hope that you have understand this concept, how to use default and static method. As you can see, it coding become easy with this version of Java. And each time we'll be familiar. We will be very quick to implement new things. Okay, see you when I see for the next topic. Subscribe to my channel if it is the first time to follow this course or to see this video. Like it, share it with your friends. I tell you goodbye. Take care of us. It's very important because I'm staying at home at this moment. Okay, take care of us. It's very, very, very important. The health is the first thing. Okay. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.